Dear students, after the long interval of times, we are again meeting through online classes, and today we are going to start our syllabuses, and we have completed up to unit 6, and today onwards we'll be starting unit 7, that is leadership and motivation. And today I'm going to teach you about leadership, and you will be knowing about the concept of leadership first of all, and I'm going to define you about the concept of leadership. Leadership is an art of influencing subordinates, that is employees, to direct their will, abilities and efforts for achievement of predetermined organizational objectives. And in the absence of effective leadership, the goals of the organizations cannot be achieved. So, in order to achieve the goals of the organization, every organizations there must be having effective leaders, and with the help of these leaders they will be able to attain the goals of the organization. And leaders are the people who lead the group or followers, who influences the behavior of others, who possess the leadership skill, who attains the organization goals through their influence. I think you might have understood a little bit about what is leadership. I have given you the brief explanations about leadership. Small organizations or the big organizations, they must be needed leaders, and in the absence of the leaders, the goals of the organizations cannot be achieved. So here is given one definition given by Dessler. Leadership means influencing others to work willingly towards achieving objectives. There are different writers who have given different definitions about leadership. You will be finding in the books if you can consult. And I think you might have understood about the concept of leadership is a very important functions of the management. In the absence of effective leadership, the common goals of the organizations cannot be achieved. And here I am going to discuss you about the features of leadership in short also. There are different features of leadership. Number one, that is leaders and followers. Leaders and followers is one of the features of leadership. Without followers there is no meaning of leader, and without leader there is no meaning of follower. So this is one of the very important features of leadership. Common objective. Both the leaders and the followers, they must be having the common same objectives, and they will go for the same objectives. There should not be any differences in the objective. And another feature is given here, situational activity. Leadership is situational activity. It means leadership cannot be similar at all the situation in all the organization. A particular style of leadership may be successful in one situation, but that may not be suitable in another situation. So leadership styles need to be changed according to context or situation. Ability to influence. This is one of the features of leadership. Every leaders, they must be having the capacity to influence their subordinates or the employees. And next one, it is a continuous process. Unless and until the organization runs, sustains, this leadership will be going on. It is an ongoing process. After finishing one goal, another goal will start, and to continue that goal, leadership is needed. So, in the absence of leadership, the goals of the organizations cannot be achieved.